see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering Supreme Week 11, which is the bike week. Now there's a lot to say about this BMX bike that is going to be coming out. First, the retail is going to be like $2,000 on it, and they're also saying that this might be like a friends and family, but we don't know any of that as of yet. Nothing is confirmed. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click them post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Before we get started, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Addict.io. On May 17th, they will be restocking, but let's go ahead and get into this drop list. So honestly, we don't have too many items releasing this week as of yet. I don't know if they're going to add more items to the drop list. It does say that the full list is not out yet, but I do want to cover what we have, and if there's anything that's special, I will try to go ahead and add it while I'm editing. All the way at the bottom of this list, we got the Stars zip up sweater. This low-key reminds me of like a That 70s Show sweater. It's dookie, and it's definitely something that I'm not gonna go for my personal or resell, or just honestly, this is something that I don't even look at on the website. Next up, we got the silk short sleeve work shirt. This is something that if you're going to like Colombia for a beach vacation, you can go ahead and scoop this up, but I feel like your average civilian is not gonna be wearing this, especially with the mask that you gotta wear now, or gloves. Like, you're not gonna throw this shirt on. You're probably gonna wear a hazmat suit before you wear this right here. I low-key think this shit is kind of dookie, so I'm gonna leave it right there. Next up, we got the Hourglass long sleeve raglan. This one is actually fire, bro. I've been seeing this shirt on the drop lists probably for like 4 weeks in a row, and they never dropped this bitch, so I'm kind of pissed off. And if I see this shit one more time, bro, I don't even want to buy it no more. Like, just drop this shit. Just drop it. Like, let me buy it at this point. Low-key, this one's pretty cool. The dog raglan is kind of ass. I feel like this one's definitely the better one. It gives me Playboy Cardi vibes, but the dog one is definitely cheeks. I do like the baby blue colorway, but just the colorway. Like, I do not like the shirt in itself. These are probably gonna retail for like $98, which is steep as all fuckness, but I don't know if I would go for the dog one. If I do end up buying one of the two, it has to be the Hourglass, and honestly, if it has too steep of a retail, I probably wouldn't even go for it. It's just not worth it. But we do have this Supreme Barber or Barbour waxed cotton waist bag. This one is cool. It's just nothing too special, bro. We got the orange, the black, and the leopard print. No, like, where are you going with this on? It has the little Supreme logo on the top. That's cool, and it says Barbour or Barbour on the front, but I feel like this is nothing too like special, something that you would go out the way for. I feel like retail for this is gonna be so high that it's not even gonna be worth it for the personal, to be honest. The only color that I would even consider from these would be the black one, simply because it's just simple, something you could wear a lot, but I personally wouldn't go for it. We got this bucket hat coming out, the Crusher. Where are we, bro? Like, I used to wear a bunch of Crushers. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm good. Like, I don't even see Supreme branding on it. It has the little pull tab that says Supreme. This shit is probably gonna retail for like $78. They could smoke a tip, bro. Like, I'm not paying $78 for a bucket hat. That's just not happening over here. The better piece from this whole Barbour or Barber collaboration definitely has to be this cotton field jacket. Low key, I like that like orangey color. It gives me like prison jumpsuits vibes. I don't know if I would personally wear this, but I do feel like it's cool in general. I love the fact that it has the branding going over the hood. That's actually pretty cool. Personally, I just feel like this is something that I wouldn't pay $368 for, which I feel like it's gonna be the retail for this. It's too much, bro. I do like the whole branding on it, and if one was to resell, it would probably be none, but this leopard one would do good if it's worn by the right person. Like, if Drake wears the leopard one, it's gonna go kaboom. As a standalone piece, definitely cheeks, not worth it. We do got this 12 varsity jacket, and low-key, I don't want to see no varsity jackets after that MLB one. No varsity jacket's gonna compare to that, so they can just hold it in the arsenal, bro. Like, I don't want this, I don't need this, and best believe I'm not going for this. Like, the baby blue color is alright. The black one is actually pretty cool, but I just don't see myself going for something like this, if I'm being completely honest. We got one of my favorite pieces pieces releasing this week, which is the over-dyed sweat shorts. Definitely a vibe, bro. I love these pants right here in like that dark camo color, the most fire stuff going on. I love that colorway. I just hope that these aren't too expensive. If they have like a retail of $128 or something around there, I could possibly see myself paying $130 for some shorts. That just sounds ridiculous, bro. $200 for some shorts, $150 for some shorts is bananas, but they do look cool in this like dark camo color. After that, we do have the world famous zip up sweater. I'm not gonna lie, bro, I have been buying like a bunch of pullover sweaters and I don't have any zip ups. I'm not like the biggest fan of zip ups, but I feel like they're just convenient to get in and out of. So I don't know, this is something that's pretty cool. I do like the branding on the back, different colors making up each letter. That would have been so cool, but at the same time, this one is a fire piece. I don't know if I would buy this because honestly, I would rather pay resell for the Motion logo hoodie before I spend money on another hoodie, if that makes sense. But this is a cool piece for the personal, if that's something that you would like. I definitely like the cream color. The red color is pretty fire, and honestly, you can't go wrong with the black one, so I would say that one too. I feel like resell for any of these pieces so far is definitely not there. But next up, we do have the over-dyed hooded sweatshirt to match the sweat shorts. This sweater is fire. I'm tired of seeing this though, bro. It's been on like 7 drop lists and they never drop this shit, so it doesn't make sense. But I am a fan of this like dark camo color. I feel like you guys know that by now. This dark camo color is definitely a vibe. I like the lighter camo too, and some of these other colors are actually pretty fire. Like that washed out blue color is fire as well. That peachy color is definitely a vibe. But come tomorrow, I just don't know if I'll be pulling the trigger on some of these pieces. I feel like I'll definitely go for that hourglass and the sweat shorts. I don't know if I'm gonna honestly go for this sweater right here, even though I really do like it. I just don't know. We do have this camp cap, which is the barboire. That camp cap, we have this in 3 different colorways. If I must say, this is probably the better piece out of the whole collection. This and that field jacket are the better pieces. I don't know if I would personally wear this, maybe in the black color or the orange. That leopard one could definitely hold a tip. I'm good on that one. But we do have 2 more pieces releasing this week. So today I want to talk about the best iOS bot that is out on the market. When it comes to buying Supreme manually, sometimes it can be pretty hard. It's like a 80-20 chance that you'll end up succeeding on some of these hyped releases. So I do want to go ahead and talk about Addict.io, which is the best and most reliable bot on iOS. They actually recently sold out and they will be restocking on May 17th. I feel like this bot is actually a plus when it comes to buying things that you want to resell or just make some money on. When it comes to this bot, it costs $130, but with my promo code Astro, you can go ahead and get it for $117 or so, which is not that bad. If you don't have the money all in one, you can also split it in 4 payments. But they do offer a lot of different services like Discord, where they talk about different restocks. They help you out if you need any help when it comes to the bot. There's been a bunch of success when it comes to different box logos, like the COVID-19 box logo. They actually were able to cook for people. The Heller mugs, when they restocked, they were able to get it. They cooked on the bandana box logos last season. A bunch of different releases they actually do cover. This bot covers like 85 different stores, from Undefeated, Supreme, Kith, Bape, a bunch of different stores they do offer services for. They actually constantly update the bot so that whenever there's an update on Pookie, which is Supreme's bot detector, they end up updating Addict so that you can bypass Pookie, which is really important on these releases because a split second is all it takes for you to not be able to buy some of these pieces. I definitely would recommend you guys to check out Addict.io because they are the most reliable bot out there when it comes to buying some of these pieces. And this week is another one where you might go ahead and just need it, but they are sold out until May 17th. If you guys are interested in buying this bot when it does release, all you have to do is join the newsletter, which will be at the top of the description. And once they do release the bot, you guys will get a notification on your email, and I probably will make another video discussing it down the line. But without any further ado, let's talk about these 2 last pieces. So this week we finally are going to be seeing the waterproof lighter case. This item is another one that we've been seeing supposed to release for like weeks now, and it never releases. So I really hope that this time Drops by Jay got it right and we're gonna be seeing this lighter case. I think it's cool, but honestly I don't know if I need this right here. Like, I think it's just fire to have in the collection. Just slap it back here and you good. But I don't know if I really need this. Probably like smokers and stuff like that like Supreme would end up buying this, but for the personal, I just don't know if I'm gonna end up getting this, to be honest. It is a fire piece and I do feel like resale will be there. It has pretty good Supreme branding. You got the black and the red, which are their infamous Droplist accessory colors, and I just feel like this is another fire accessory. Last up, we got the BMX bike. This is the S&M 1995 BMX bike. This right here is gonna be like $2,000 to begin with. They're rumoring that this is only gonna be a friends and family release, which kind of is a gripe for me that I do want to talk about. Why talk about these items releasing when they won't even be available to the mass population? It doesn't even make sense, bro. If this is gonna release for friends and family, don't even fucking put it on the drop list, because this is a false like sense of excitement, like an illusion damn near, bro. There's bids going for $15,000 to backdoor this damn bike. $15,000. This isn't even a dirt bike or a motorcycle or nothing like that. A regular mother bike for $15,000. It does not make sense. I think this is cool. It's a fire BMX bike. It's all dandy, but $15K, friends and family, it just seems impossible plus impossible to buy this piece right here. I do feel like it's a fire ass piece. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but would I pay retail? Like, would I pay $2,000 for this shit? Hell no. Would I pay $15,000 for this? You must be literally cracking the crack rock. I'm not doing this. Like, it's just not gonna happen, buddy. No, nah, not this way. It's not flowing like that on my boat. I could buy a whole M3 with that. Like, they're bugging. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bells down below if you are interested in more of these videos. It definitely does go a long way. I also will be announcing the giveaway coming next drop list. So for week 12, I will be announcing the giveaway for you guys. But that pretty much does it. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.